Video walls are considered to be one of the most eye-catching digital signage installations. And from this video, you will learn everything about this type of display. This is Gabriel, and you're on the Look Digital Signage channel, where we talk about everything related to digital screens in one way or another. Subscribe and press the bell not to miss another useful videos. Okay, now, even if you're not quite sure what a video wall is, you've probably come across them in everyday life. Yes, here they are. Large installations consisting of several digital displays. Their main task is to cause a wow fact and work on brand awareness. So, how are they technically arranged? There are three main options for creating video walls. Firstly, you can make them from any consumer TVs with an HDMI input by connecting them to a special video wall controller that costs from around $150 for the basic model. To play content, you will also need a media player plugged into the controller. For the second option, you will need commercial-grade displays that support daisy chain technology. It allows using the DisplayPort interface to wire multiple displays in sequence. In this case, you don't need a controller, since the media player is plugged into the first display in the chain. However, none of these options will really give you the effect you expect from a video wall. The main problem is the large bezels of the displays themselves, about 20mm even for commercial models, which make it difficult to view the content as one seamless picture. At this point, special video wall flat panels come into play with, wait for it, the actual lack of a frame. For example, LG has models with 0.44mm bezels. You won't even notice it, and your content will look like the original without any distortions. These displays can also be controlled by an external media player using daisy chain technology. And this is perhaps the only true, although not cheap, option for creating video walls. The second most important issue in any video wall installation is the content. The fact is that given the non-standard dimensions and aspect ratio of video walls, managing content on them is often a daunting task. For example, in this common version, everything is okay. Here, the wall actually duplicates the aspect ratio of a regular display. It's 16:9. So you don't need to customize your content to fit the specific parameters of the wall. But how about this? Or wait a moment, this one. In such cases, we recommend solving the task at the level of content creation. In any graphics editor, you need to design a special template based on the aspect ratio and configuration of your video wall. After that, you'll be able to customize any videos and images for this installation in a matter of minutes. And last but not least, a video wall, like any other display, requires the ability to be remotely managed. And Look DS products are ideal for this. Our reliable and affordable media players like the Look HD 2018 Pro with true 4K support, for example, as well as an easy-to-use cloud-based Look Digital Signage service. See for yourself by requesting a personal demo or completing a 14-day free trial. All links in the description below. And that's all for today. See you in the next videos. Bye.